Everybody, just gonna do a little product review if anybody's really interested. Got the Logitech Harmony 1100 universal remote. Now this is a true universal remote that can control everything and possibly anything that you have in your house, as long as it's an infrared style remote. So not anything Bluetooth is not gonna control. It has to be infrared. So like your PlayStation 3, which you have, but all you have to do is buy an adapter to go with it, because PlayStation runs off of Bluetooth. So if you really want to control your PlayStation, now what I mean by control it, I mean like just the options of watching a DVD or whatever. But this remote, like I said, controls everything because I have Fios, which this was my universal remote, which I was able to control my the AV receiver, the TV, DVD player, everything with that. But you couldn't fine tune control it. If everybody knows what that mean, like you couldn't go in certain options like the regular remote that you had. So this was, it did its job, but I always had to have my other universal remote, which, that can fine tune. So I needed something that would take care of and do everything. So I found a Logitech. So just a comparison of the size, it's about, here's 20. That's how big it is. It's not that big. It's about, like a small tablet. It comes with a docking station. But let's do a quick little review. But like I said, this thing controls everything. So just a little walk through how it looks. See right there. I have it tuned to the point where now when I watch, TV or anything, all I gotta do is hit watch TV. Then it's already programmed that the AV unit goes to whatever setting that I have that on. Everything just goes on. I don't have to no longer press this button and press this button. I press one button, everything turns on. Just like if I want to watch a DVD player and it crank up, I use my PlayStation for now. If I want to watch a DVD, I hit that button, everything turns on. So let me just show you how it works. Okay. Alrighty. So there goes the whole TV setup. So now, all we got to do, see, watch TV. Press the button. So just watch TV. Press it. Just sit back. Everything turns on. Of course, the stuff turns on slow, but that's just my system, how it turns on. So now, with this, I can control the volume. I can control, depending on your cable system, the guide comes up every way I want it. I can put menu. I can press all the buttons like if I had the regular remote control. It works the same way. Like some universal remotes claim that you can do everything. This thing actually does everything your standard remote will do if you have Fios or Cablevision, whatever, wherever you're from. This does everything for it. So now, say I want to watch DVD player. I press that. I hit just watch DVD. The TV automatically changes to the HDMI port it's supposed to be on. PlayStation kicks on. The receiver goes to whatever port it's supposed to be on. Comes right on. Very user-friendly remote. And with this, you can actually still control all your settings. See, just like if you were using the PlayStation control pads, I can move everything around. I can surf. I could do whatever I want with this. Just like if, I had one. But you could turn everything off. Just press off. Everything goes off. Turns everything off. Like I said, great remote. A little bit costly. I was able to get this at Best Buy for $250 was the total price. And for the little adapter, like I said, that you might need, this is the adapter. There we go. This is the adapter that you just use for the PlayStation. All it is just basically a relay. It's really a Bluetooth adapter. You sync up the Bluetooth settings on your PlayStation 3 to this. Once it recognizes it, then you could go to Logitech and uses that. That's all it is. Like I said, if you really want to use it like that. Some people say, who cares? But, like I said, I just wanted to minimize all the remotes I had. But that piece was about $45. So everything with tax and everything came to about $320. And like I said, this is a remote that learns. So even if you have other remotes or anything in your house, you just point it towards this. You download the software. Then you make the Logitech learn from the other remote. Then after that, you're all set. But like I said, great thing. Little gadget to have, LCD screen. Just a small, sleek remote. It's not heavy, it's not bulky. It's rechargeable, so you ain't got to worry about changing batteries and going dead. It has a small little docking station. You plug it anywhere, keep it close, and like I said, right now it's a great little product, and I'll see how long this lasts with me until they come out with something new and crazier. But for now, it's a pretty good thing. The only bad part we had was getting this tech support. I was literally on the phone for about an hour because I didn't have the original remote for my AV system, and we had to basically set up certain programs in this so it could switch from AV1 to AV2 on the fly without going into the programs and doing it. So once we did it and we set it up that way, downloaded it back in there and re-uploaded it, don't have to worry about it again. And it's in a profile in your computer because you need a computer to actually download all the stuff and set up the software. So if you have a Mac, you need that, or you have a regular Windows. But tech support can, once you set up your account, they can do it on the fly on their end, send you the information, upload it, then you're good to go. But for now, that's all it is. So, any questions, comments, get back to me. Enjoy.